Please pause this video, attempt this question. If you can, give a like to the video. It helps out the algorithm. So explain why some people can eat food without a serious risk, even though it's radioactive. Well, the food you eat generally has radiation in it, but it's not high enough quantities to give it so much damage. This is why some people prefer to eat non-GMO foods and so like go basically raw without pesticides, without all of these herbicides, because they could be carcinogenic. We just don't know. But the answer they were looking for is a small percentage of material. The activity is less than the background radiation. So you've got all background radiation all around you, and it's not going to cause serious risk. Now, the time between the measurements. So it started at 400. So 400 is all the way down there. He measures the activity to 100. So 100, well, this is 200. So 100 is all the way down there. What is the time between those two readings? 50 days. Estimate the activity to appear at 150 days. Well, this is 100, right? And it seems like every 25 days, it's going to keep on halving. So this is 50, and then this is going to be 25. So at day 150, what they're looking for is half of the 25, which is 12.5 reading. Half-life is an important factor to consider when choosing an isotope. What is meant by a half-life? So the half-life is the time taken for half the radioactivity to occur. So time they accept time for halving. So time for half the atoms to decay. They accepted the radioactivity to decay, half the time for the radioactivity to decay. So the radioactivity is based on the radiation is given off, which we can measure with a GM tube, which looks like this. So this is a GM tube that you do need to know about for GCSE Physics. And what happens is as the radiation goes inside it, it ionizes the gases inside it. So there's gases inside it that lose electrons. And because they've lost their electrons are able to conduct, and the gas allows their electrons to be able to conduct. So it measures a small voltage, not a really big voltage, a small voltage, which is amplified. And each voltage pulse, due to the traveling of the electrons, indicates the radioactivity. It's amplified and it gives the indication of what the radioactivity is. And the half-life is time for that radioactivity to halve or be accepted, time for half the atoms to decay, time for the activity rate to drop to half its original value. So if it was 150, what's the time for it to drop to 75? And if you got the time, that is known as the half-life. That is the period in which it has. Please subscribe to my channel. I post daily math and science videos. Take care and have a nice day.